Well, at least we can attach it to the landing level and then tighten these back down.
Okay.
This one's pretty good. Oh, they're both pretty good right there.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, just don't jostle it.
Yeah.
No jostling. All right, so let me shut this off. All right, looking pretty good, folks. We're almost there. He's got to weld all these up. These are just tacked in right now. We got this little jig here. Say hi, Jack.
Howdy ho.
And what's the name of your company? I have to put this on YouTube. I have to edit that out now. Okay, obviously. He doesn't realize that I have to edit that out now. Bye. Okay, here's a welder who tests his work. You notice I'm not up there. They're only welded on one seam. He's a pretty adventurous guy. Hey, where's the handrail, dude? Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, a little wobbly.
It's a ghost staircase. This is pretty weird, being honest, without treads.
Yeah.
Yeah, let me get that for your camera.
Okay.
It's on. That's crazy looking.
Yeah. Okay. Uh-oh, he's gonna be on my channel.
There you go.
He doesn't want to be on my. He's gonna be on YouTube, buddy. Sorry. You'll have to sign a disclaimer. Okay, he's testing it out, folks. Only one seam is welded. He's a brave welder. Arr, I was one of the lucky ones.
Yeah, this is almost a head bash right here.
Yeah.
It's because this is 104 inches to this second landing.
Yeah, it's tight, man.
Usually it's 110, I think.
Yeah, that is tight. If you're taller than 6'2", you're gonna hit your head on that, aren't you?
Yes.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh dear. Clang! Oh, it is weird with no treads. Dude, this sucks without treads.
Yeah, it's not gonna.
Oh yeah, if you were like 6'5", you'd probably hit your head on that. Looks great though. Definitely really strange without the wood pieces on. Okay, looking good.
It's kind of cool looking straight down.
Yeah, I didn't do that shot.
That's what I did.
Oh, okay, good man.
This